This is Tier 3 Lesson 4, dividing. Instead of long division, we're going to be doing synthetic division. So now I'm going to show you a new technique for division called synthetic division. It's a little bit quicker and easier than long division if you follow it. So we're going to use synthetic division to decide if 1 is a root of the polynomial x cubed minus 1. So be careful to note, synthetic division only works for dividing first degree polynomials, because right now we're going to divide x cubed minus 1 divided by x minus 1, right? That would be the x minus the root, which is 1. If we said x squared, we wouldn't be able to divide that using synthetic. We'd have to use long division. So we want to write the polynomial in standard form, and we're going to use zeros for terms that we don't see, like x squared and x. So we're going to say x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1. That it is in standard form with zeros, so we have all the terms. And then we're going to divide. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all the coefficients, so 1, 0, 0, and negative 1, and we're going to put them in this division. And we're going to take our root of 1 and we're going to put it on the outside. So what we're going to do, we're going to start by putting 1 all the way down. And now we're going to multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. So you multiply, and then in this column we add. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Well, 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Then we're going to write a polynomial from these coefficients. So this is x to the 0. This is our constant term. This is 1x plus 1. And this is 1x squared plus 1. You see how I just started with my constant term and got bigger and bigger? So this is our solution, x squared plus x plus 1. Okay, let me show you another example. We're going to divide this big, long polynomial divided by x minus 2. Okay, so the root is 2, right? If we set it equal to 0, this part equal to 0, the root's 2. Now I'm going to put my coefficients, 1, 1, negative 11, negative 5, and 30 in, and I don't have any zeros, right? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, we're good. So 1, 1, negative 11, negative 5, and 30. And we're going to put our root of 2 on the outside. So we're going to start by bringing this down. Remember, we multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. And now we add. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. And now we add negative 11 plus 6 is negative 5. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And then we add negative 5 plus negative 10 is negative 15. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30. And 30 plus negative 30 is 0, right? This is our remainder of 0. So now we start our polynomial back up, right? This is the constant term. This is the x term. This is the x squared term. And this is the x cubed term. So x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 15 is my solution. You see how this is much quicker than regular long division? It's a nice little technique that we can use to divide polynomials.